That's why I like the Photoshop contact sheet. But for your major project, when you're actually handing this in, once you've edited those 5 photos that you choose to edit, it's really nice because we're going to lay it out as 11 by 17 the same way. And then you're basically going to have 3 photos along the top. And then you will have a couple more photos along the bottom here. If your photos are all landscape, great, you can do it this way. If some of them are portraits, that's not a big deal. Just make sure you turn them and lay them out in such a way that things look complete and concise and organized. And then you are going to create a text box down in the corner here, which is going to include your name, make the font a bit bigger. It needs to have your name in the box. Topic of the photo shoot. List of photos that you kept. Description of how you took the photos. Any other info you would like to share. This will get printed off and handed into the hand-in bin. So I'm just going to throw a few different photos in here. Some ones I took on this trip that turned out half decent. So I would put these pictures into the various different boxes wherever they look like they're going to fit the best. And then I'm going to need to make whatever adjustments to those boxes. So for example, some of them are really big, so I need to right click, fit content proportionately. And then similarly, these are the wrong direction, so I might need to rotate some of them around so that they fit in the box appropriately depending on what look and feel I'm going for. Maybe something like this picture would need to switch places with this one, but you get the idea. And make it look nice. Name, topic of the photo shoot, list of photos you kept, description of how you took the photos, and then any other info you'd like to share. And make sure that gets printed off and handed in. So you'd go File, Save As, you would go File, Export, export it as a PDF. Make sure you know where you're saving it to, so go to your F drive, and we'll call this 5 best composition. You'd hit export, and then from there you would print it to the color 11 by 17. Let's add this here and say description of how you took the photos and their composition. Style. I don't like hyphens, so if you go in here, you can take off hyphenate. Okay, that should be it for this project. If you'd like to put a title at the top, you're more than welcome to do that. Move these down a bit. Just call it assignment number 5. This could be centered and make the font a little bit bigger. There we go. That is it for this project. Have a great day.